What type of material and equipment did I use to create the desk lamp? Materials and equipment that I used were Quill A2 board white, 420mm by 590mm, Bostik Craft PVA glue, which I honestly didn't expect to be so strong, a HB pencil for sketching out and working on technical drawings and or net diagrams of certain sides and pieces, a Craftrite 25mm snap-off knife, which included 5 replacement blades in case the blade became blunt. Scissors were also used for some certain small parts as it was a safer and easier option. A stainless steel 90-degree angled ruler was used to help assist in cutting straight lines on the cardboard with the use of the Craftrite knife. A math set which included a compass in which I used to find out certain degrees to cut, a plastic ruler which came in handy in both measuring the dimensions in millimeters as well as helping assist in cutting small angles, a 45 and 60-degree set square which helped in giving the lamp an aesthetic look, a 180-degree protractor, an eraser, a pencil and a sharpener which all came in handy. Extra cable was needed to run the wires up to the lamp head so that the light was able to turn on. This extra cable was bought from J-Car. A soldering iron which provided heat in which was used to melt solder to join 2 wires together. A couple of bolts, nylock lock nuts and lock nut washers were also used for pivot points and the light switch. An MDF wood 900 by 600mm board. This was placed under my cardboard so the wooden table I was working on wouldn't be damaged with marks or cuts. A LED light switch which was made for 4.5 watt with 3 batteries altogether, meaning 1.5 watt batteries each. The battery holder of the light switch and LED light were modified to use 3 watts of battery, meaning 2 batteries with 1.5 watt each. Where are the 2 pivot points? The first pivot point is located on the head of the lamp, which makes the desk lamp vertically adjustable. The second pivot point is located on the neck of the lamp, which allows the neck to rotate up to 180 degrees without moving the base. What was the process like in creating the project? The steps in creating the lamp were in the following order. Firstly, the creation of the base, neck, light switch, partitioning of the battery and the wires inside of the base, the head of the lamp, 2 pivot points, and lastly, connection and solder of all the wires together. The creation of the base was started by using PVA glue and gluing 5 layers of cardboard together to create a heavy and durable base which helps prevent the desk lamp from being unstable. Approximately how long did it take to complete the entire project? The entire project took around 4 to 5 days. Majority of the time I spent waiting on the PVA glue to dry so that I could get started on the next step. My entire project cost me around $54, including the equipment and material. I saved money by already being in possession of certain equipment needed for the project.